Deep-sea phenomenon. Why are these creatures surfacing? The oarfish, the doomsday fish spotted in Lanzarote. The oarfish is believed to signal earthquakes and tsunamis. Is the ocean telling us something? Anglerfish are being spotted far from their deep-sea habitats. This raises questions about what is causing their unusual appearance. Mass whale strandings in Tasmania. Over 150 false killer whales washed ashore. Another deep-sea fish swims to surface. Breaking records of last 20 years. 7 lakh plus olive ridleys. Square-shaped waves seen in Aegean Sea.